guys, assalamualaikum and welcome to EduTech. Friends, today's video is going to be very interesting for you because friends, in this video I am going to tell you the method that how could you increase your Instagram likes and followers for free of course through Neutrino Plus. Someone asked me that how to get unlimited crystals in Neutrino Plus. So guys, I have searched about it so many times but I didn't get a relatable answer about this, because guys, they are not telling that the mode of the APK of Neutrino Plus. They are just like increasing their Instagram likes and followers through Neutrino Plus. But in this video I am also not providing the mode of that Neutrino Plus, but I am telling you the trick that how could you gain so many crystals in Neutrino Plus. So guys, if you wanna know, stay tuned with the video. Let's get started. I am again warning you that guys, please watch the video till end to know that trick. So over here guys, you need these two apps like Neutrino Plus and auto tapping. Both apps links are given in the description. You could go and install from the link in the description. So first of all, I'll open Neutrino Plus. Guys, it's not the hack for Neutrino Plus because I have searched on internet, I can't find it, so I have just made a video of the trick. So you will click over yes, the referral code is given in the description, and you will paste the referral code over here if you want to get free diamonds. So I am not interested, so I will click on skip. All guys, you have to create a fake Instagram account like I have already created a JTech Insta 07. I will go to star section to show you how it will work. So guys, to get only 2 diamonds, you will like someone's photo by clicking on this diamond button and you will get only 2 diamonds. So I will recommend to go with subscribe me to say follow. You will get 8 diamonds. So I will click on this auto clicker and set sorry and setting same as, and now configuration and load. I have already saved for you guys, like I am going to show you how it will work. So first of all guys, the purpose of this first target is to click on this subscribe button. So I will show you the settings. Same you will do, like action type click and general setting 10,000 and other same as 10, 1 and 5. So I will click on this save button. Now to follow that person and for getting 8 diamonds, I will click on this subscribe plus 8 diamond button and it will redirect us to the user. And now the purpose of this second button is to press this 3 dots. So I will show you the settings of this, like journal setting 10,000 and other 10, 1 and 5 and save settings. So guys, the other thing is the third target. The function of this third target is to copy profile URL. So I will show you the settings 1000, 10, 1 and 5, and you will click on save button. And now I will copy the URL of this profile. And now the purpose of fourth button is to press home key. So these same settings and like action type home key, it will press home key. So I will save it, and now home screen. And over here the function of 5 is to open Google Chrome. Settings are the same 1000, 10, 1 and 5, open Google Chrome. And the function of 6th target is to click on the search bar. So I will show you the delay 10,000 and the are the same. I will click on the search bar, and over here 7th target function is to click on this link you copied. And over here I will show you the settings 1000, 10, 1 and 5 and save. I will click on this link you copied and it will show me that user. So over here guys, the function of 8th target is to click on this follow button. So I will show you the settings 10,000 delay and others are the same. So I will just so follow. So guys, the function of number 9th target is to press home key. Journal settings delay 1000 and other are the same as. I will go back to Neutrino Plus, so like this, done. The function of 10 target is to click on this Neutrino Plus to open the app. Same settings, 10,000 and like this. So over here guys, you will get 8 crystals after some time. Function of S11 and E11 is to refresh this section. So I will show you the settings. Like general settings are 10,000 delay and others are the same, and same for E11. Like I will adjust it like this. Start the process of this auto tapping, so it will automatically do everything for you guys. I think so it will show me action block notice, because I have done it so many times for the practical before making the video. It's a real method guys, I am telling you. It will do it automatically, just you have to follow the steps I have told in the video. So don't worry about it, it's just showing the error to me. At the end I will also show you that the crystals that I have transferred to my real account, and I will show you to get likes on my photos. Like I haven't reached the amount to get followers, but I can get likes from this. But don't worry guys, you have to transfer your diamonds or crystals from here. The reach is 100 and Instagram will not show you the error before 100 crystals. I know guys, I have tried it. Just give it a try. So like this, my real Instagram account username, and then you have to log out from this this fake Instagram account from Neutrino, and again log in back to your real Instagram account like I will do.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh.
Over here guys, as you can see this, I am having 106 crystals. I have transferred from my old account, like mean to say fake account. Over here to gain followers, you should have 359 diamonds, but I am not having. So I will show the proof of getting likes from here. Like it is saying 13, but it will give us 14 or 15. I know this because I have tried it so many times. So let me check it out. 9 likes have been sent to our photo. Before it was 13. We will get, mean to say, like 14 or 15 likes inshallah. So you don't have to worry. As you can see this, I have got 24 likes, so only one is left. Okay, so guys, they have sent us so many likes and I am having enough energy, like 680 energy. So much enough for me. Now I will go back to Instagram app over here to show you how many likes I have got. I will get 14 or 15 likes as I have told you at the beginning. So I will open it and my real Instagram account. Okay, so guys, over here guys, as you could see, this 14 likes they have sent us. As I said you in the beginning, and guys, it's real and authentic app to get likes and followers to your Instagram. So guys, this was the video. If you learned anything from the video, I will request you all to like, comment and subscribe. At the last, I will say that don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye.